At CoreLogic, we want to transform how all of us find, buy, and protect our biggest purchase of our lives, our home. This is the place to be.
At CoreLogic, we're exploring bold new ideas.
We help people find, acquire, and protect the homes they love.
Every day is a new day, and I love coming in to try different things.
The culture of labs here is really modern. Here it's super agile XP. I mean, we have stand-up in the morning every day. It's really collaborative environment, so I really like that.
We're working on artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data, all the really cool next-gen technologies that you can possibly think of.
Cloud native transformation, some greenfield cloud native using TDD.
We use a lot of Hadoop, so Hive, Spark, Pig.
We're using a lot of really exciting emerging technologies. These are foundationally game-changing technologies.
These are all, in many companies, very aspirational goals. At CoreLogic, these are actual realities.
So I start my day at CoreLogic, of course, by getting a cup of coffee, and the next thing we do is our team stand up. And it's a great way for the team to stay in sync and make sure that we're fighting the same battles together.
We have a foosball table, we have a table tennis table, so when it gets stressful, we will just get up, go blow some steam while our product's being built.
The atmosphere and the team is fantastic. Everyone gets in every day, they're really enthusiastic, which is just a great environment to work in.
We push each other every day, we challenge each other to do our best, but I think it's because we're passionate about what we do.
The group of folks that we've got working here is, they're the smart kids in school that you grew up with.
We recognize that people have families and lives outside of work, and I would say if you're looking for work-life balance, CoreLogic is the place to be.
It's really nice to come into an office where you know that what you're doing is making an impact.
I would tell somebody who's thinking of working at CoreLogic 2 words: bring it. Bring all of it. Bring your code expertise, bring your ideas, bring your empathy. You're gonna need a lot of enthusiasm and you're gonna need a lot of curiosity to really make a difference, but that's what we're looking for.